In this short walkthrough, I will show you one of the most requested features in NXLog Platform 1.12. Its configuration and version history. So let's jump right in. With version of history, every change to a configuration template is tracked automatically. You can view previous version, compare them side by side, and restore any version in a single click, all directly from the platform UI. No external version control, no manual backups. Let's see this in action. From the Configuration tab, you open the Actions menu on any template and select the version history. Here you can see every version of this template in a chronological order. For each one, the platform records the date, who made the change, and a comment describing what changed. In this example, version 2 added internal agent logs, and version 3 removed them, giving you a complete audit trail without leaving the UI. To see exactly what changed between any two versions, select them and click and compare. The platform opens a side-by-side list. Added lines are highlighted in green and removed lines in red. You can review the full configuration and pinpoint every modification without digging through backups or change logs. If you need to roll back, it's just one click. Open the Actions menu or any previous version and select the Restore. The platform instantly makes that version the latest, ready to be pushed to your agents. As from the agents, you have two options to save those configurations into the agents and update and push those templates. The first one, you can basically just go directly to the agents and update the configuration. So as you can see here on my agents portal, I have one of my agents already with the latest configuration, right? And 3 others is still using the old one, that is V4. You can always have the options to back to the templates, and on Actions, just update all the agents with just one click. As soon as you do that, you can just back here on the agents and you will see that all the agents that is using that template, it's now using the latest release. With the new version of the platform, you also have the ability to filter the agents based on the version they have. So in this case, I can basically do something like configuration, version, and then select by, in this case, 5. That is version 5 that I have on my agents. If I do something like this, it will basically filter all the agents that I have that is using the V5 version. So in this case, you also have the opportunity to check all the agents you have that is not running the latest release that you just update. So just closing the video, configuration version history, it's available now in NXLog Platform 1.12. Upgrade your instance or export the release notes on our official documentation. Thank you.